Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to see those WhatsApp messages or updates on your iPhone. How do you actually turn off those notifications? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that you're first going to go into your settings tab here. And then from this page here, you want to click on notifications. Next, you want to scroll all the way down until you find your WhatsApp app. So WhatsApp is this green and white icon here. And keep in mind that this is all listed in alphabetical order. So click on WhatsApp. Now this is the really important step, guys. You're going to see this allow notifications button. So go ahead and turn that off. And then the notifications will be turned off. But if you want to turn it back on, just click on it again. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.